What is Black Friday? Hmm, let me see. Black Friday happens the day after Thanksgiving, which is always celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November in the United States. This makes Black Friday fall somewhere between November 23rd and 29th each year. It marks the beginning of the Christmas shopping season, which is one of the busiest times for stores and shoppers alike. Christmas is the biggest holiday in the US and in many other countries around the world. In the US, many stores have big sales on Black Friday, and a lot of people get really excited about shopping on this day. Many stores open at 12 a.m. on Friday morning. A few stores even start their Black Friday sales on Thanksgiving Day, the day before Black Friday. Not everyone thinks this is a good idea. Some people say it isn't good because it interrupts Thanksgiving dinners and family time. In the US, many stores offer massive sales on Black Friday. Some items are discounted by as much as 50%, 70%, or even more. This is why people get so excited about this particular day. It's a chance to save a lot of money, especially on big-ticket items like TVs, laptops, and smartphones. Some people get really excited about Black Friday. People even camp outside of stores so they will be the first inside when it opens. They bring tents, blankets, snacks, and hot drinks to stay warm during the chilly November nights. Occasionally, shoppers get too excited on Black Friday, and sometimes things can get a little out of hand. People are so eager to grab the best deals that they become overly competitive. It's not uncommon to hear stories about shoppers pushing and shoving each other, or even fighting over items like a heavily discounted TV or a video game console. Personally, I find Black Friday shopping a bit intimidating. The stores are packed with people. It's loud, chaotic, and can even feel a little scary at times. That's why I prefer to shop online. Many websites offer similar discounts, and I can browse from the comfort of my home. No crowds, no long lines, no stress, just me and my laptop. My friend Meg does the same thing, and I think she has the right idea. Enjoy the sales without having to deal with the madness. In fact, I might wait a few days after Black Friday this year to do my shopping. I still enjoy going to stores during the holiday season, but not on Black Friday itself. I love seeing all the bright, colorful Christmas lights and decorations. I just don't like big crowds of crazy shoppers. By the way, do you know why it's called Black Friday? It got the name because many stores finally start making a profit for the year from this day. Before this day, many stores were thought to be losing money or breaking even. Accountants commonly refer to this as in the red. When a business is making money, we say it's in the black. So that's how it got its name, because stores are finally in the black. Pretty interesting, isn't it?